In this question, it is given that the escape velocity of a body of on the surface of Earth is 11.2 km per second. If the Earth mass increases to twice its present value, radius of Earth becomes 1/8. Escape velocity becomes. So we know the equation for escape velocity from the surface of a planet, that is escape velocity is under root of 2gm divided by r. So we can write this escape velocity is directly proportional to under root of m divided by r. So in this question, the relation between escape velocity, we need to find out the relation between escape velocity. It is given that escape velocity of a body on the surface of Earth is 11.2 km. So on Earth's surface, we can write its escape velocity is 11.2 km per second. If Earth mass is increased to twice the present value, so if you are increasing its mass to twice its present value, so we can write it like this. Now the escape velocity, let's say escape velocity dash becomes equal to under root of 2 into g into, instead of mass m, we need to write now the mass is increased by 2 times. It's mentioned in the question, it is increased to 2 times. So instead of mass, you can write this is 2 times of initial mass 2m, and radius of Earth becomes 1/8 escape velocity, 1/8. That means the radius is decreased to r by 8. Initial value was r. Now we need to decrease it by 8 times. So 1/8. So we can write the current escape velocity will be equal to under root of 2 into g into 2m divided by r. Now we can write this 8 on numerator. So we can write this is equal to escape velocity now is 2 into 8, that we can take it as 16 into 2gm divided by r under root. Or you can write this escape velocity is equal to root of 16, we can take it as 4 and under root of 2gm divided by r. And root of 2gm by r is nothing but the initial value of escape velocity. So we can write now the current escape velocity is 4 times as that of initial value, and initial value was something like 11.2 km per hour per second. So we can write now the current value is going to be 44.8 km per second.